Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Travelog Fun Food Facts. Friends, we all know about pencils as we have used this in our childhood for writing or drawing. In today's digital world, pencil is still an important tool for writing and especially for those who make sketches. So in this video, I will tell you few facts about pencils and a village in India which supplies 90% of wood for pencil making, and soon it will be called as Pencil District of India. A pencil consists solid pigment core in a protective casing that prevent the core from being broken. Most pencil cores are made of graphite powder mixed with clay binder. It is also called as lead pencil. Nuremberg, Germany was the birthplace of the first mass-produced pencils in 1662. Then in 1795, Nicolas Jacques Conte, a scientist serving in the army of Napoleon Bonaparte, he discovered a method of mixing graphite with clay and forming the mixture into rods that were then fired in a kiln. William Monroe, a Concord, Massachusetts cabinet maker, is credited with making America's first wood pencils in 1812. Another Concord native, famous author Henry David Thoreau, was also renowned for the pencil making prowess. The American pencil industry took off when Joseph Dixon Crucible Company and more pencil manufacturers started getting into the act. And towards the end of 19th century, New York and New Jersey hosted several factories established by German pencil manufacturers, including Faber-Castell, Everhard Faber, Eagle Pencil Company, and General Pencil Company. The first mass-produced pencils were natural and unpainted to show off high-quality wood casings. But by 1890s, many pencil manufacturers started painting pencils and imprinting with brand names. Early American pencils were made from red cedar, a strong splinter-resistant wood that grew in Tennessee and other parts of southeastern United States, due to which many pencil manufacturers had established factories in Tennessee. By the early 1900s, additional sources of wood were needed. Pencil manufacturers turned to California's Sierra Nevada mountains, where they found incense cedar, a species that grew in abundance and made superior pencils. California incense cedar soon became the wood of choice for domestic and international pencil makers around the world. In 1915, Tokoji Hayakawa of Japan invented metal-based mechanical pencil called Eversharp pencil. This village in India producing 90% wood for pencils making. Every time a child or any other person picks up a pencil to write, draw or make sketches, there is a chance that he or she may be holding a piece of Kashmir. This is because a significant portion of the wood in making the country's top brands of pencils comes from South Kashmir. Not many know that Ukuhu village in Pulwama district of Indian state Jammu and Kashmir supplies 90% wood used to manufacture pencils in India. And this district will soon be called as the Pencil District of India as it supplies most of the slats, which is a raw material for making pencils in the country. Before 90s, the companies used to get the wood from China, Germany, etc. But later they started taking from here only. Many units are engaged in preparing slats inside homes from a special tree called as poplar tree that grows only in the wetlands of district. The wood of the tree grown here has the right amount of moisture for making pencils. Official says at present 60% of pencil production work is done in the units at Lasipora, one of Kashmir's biggest industrial estates, set up over 300 hectares in 1984, which is surrounded by apple orchards. The raw wood or slats are stacked before they are dispatched to factories which will process them and make pencils. These units prepare slats and supply the raw material to Hindustan Pencils, which makes the Natraj and Apsara brands and is the second biggest pencil manufacturers in the world. This industry generates employment for nearly 2,000 people. At Ukuhu, Small units have come up in homes, and most of the work in these units is being done by local women. Earlier, these units used to supply wood to pencil makers, but now they have started making sleds that has helped generate jobs. The unit owners are keen on making the whole pencil in Kashmir and then selling it, due to which thousands will get jobs and they can compete with big brands only if government supports them. The interest that is seen in these pencils making unit is kindling the hopes of growth of this industry in the whole district. Government is trying to ensure all possible help is provided to these unit holders. Due to these manufacturing units in Pulwama district, a lot of people are getting their livelihood, and I hope it will continue to grow. So friends, I hope you like the interesting facts about pencil I shared. Kindly like, share and subscribe to receive updates for my upcoming videos. Thank you.